Anaya. Hey, sweet girl. Psst. Hi. What are you doing, big girl? We're trying something new today. We've always worn Robies, but we're trying something new. What's that you got on your tootsies, baby girl? The cutest little all-stars you've ever seen. She was not happy about the process of putting them on. Much more complicated than Robies, huh? Where's Mommy? Anaya. Here she comes. Here she comes. Hi. Hello. Boo. Hi, baby. She's coming to get me. Help, help. I can't get away. Can you get Mommy? Big girl. You're such a big girl. You are. Good job. You going around the big chair? What a good job you did. You're doing pretty well with those new shoes. Yeah, you're moving those new shoes pretty well. Whoa, Mommy needs to move, huh? That foot action. So cute. Hi.